What is up, CTC family? Shaka Daniel here, aka Chase That Coin, and today we want to do a cryptocurrency analysis of the top 100 biggest gainers on CoinMarketCap. So we're going to take the top 100 coins, whichever one of them are up in BTC value. We're going to do some technical analysis on them, and we're going to give it a second to fill the stream up. I encourage you all to hit like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and share the stream out. Let's go. Okay, so I'm going to come over here. I'm going to check the health of the stream. Okay, so the stream is alive and well. Check out PayPal, he's telling me to do. Okay, I'm going to take a second to share this out, guys. I encourage you to do the same. Make sure you check the links in the description below if you want to get access to the live CoinMarketCap Excel spreadsheet with live CoinMarketCap data. I can't even talk today. Okay, so you can be able to put your holdings in here. You can change these coins, drag and drop, add the symbols. You know, you can pull live CoinMarketCap data every time, you know, you open your portfolio, or whenever you want, you can just refresh the data. So that's cool. Join the Telegram groups, link in the description below. All right, I'm going to share this out. A lot of people are nervous here. A lot of people are nervous here. People don't know what to do. So I'm sharing this in the Telegram, in the Discord. Encourage you guys to do the same. So we're going to take the top 100 cryptocurrencies. I think this is old. We're going to take the top 100 cryptocurrencies as far as gainers, and we are going to do some technical analysis on them. So let me pull up the top 100 here. The top 100 cryptocurrencies. Whoa. Let me pull up the top 100 here. So we're going to do this, obviously, we're going to do this in BTC value. All right, so our first chart that we're going to do is Ethereum. Let me open my Coinigy because I know we're going to run into some coins that are low cap. So our first currency we're doing ETH, BTC, obviously. And we're going to do Bittrex. So this is ETH, BTC, Bittrex. I'm going to start on a higher time frame. I personally like to start on higher time frames. What's up, guys? Everybody share the stream out. I like to personally start on higher time frames. With a lot of these markets right now, there isn't much you can do as far as technical analysis, simply because they've ran up so much. But a lot of them are forming squeezes, different types of squeezes. Some of them a little bit more solid than others. Now, I personally don't like my squeezes to be so tight or so vertical, but whatever. Now, once upon a time, I used to look at traditional markets. When I used to see these kind of squeezes, upward squeezes, at least from my experience, they were pretty bearish. You know, we would get an upward squeeze, then we would get some kind of bearish price action here, and then we would break down. In cryptocurrency, they don't usually, you know, they're not so consistently bearish. So there's still a lot of space in this triangle. All right, so we could get a breakdown and then a play sideways. All right, or we could get a flag here. All right, we could get a flag here for Ethereum. So I like that. I like either play. The way cryptocurrency has been moving, it's more likely that it will flag, more likely. That's Ethereum. So what we're doing is we're only taking the winners of the day as far as BTC value in the top 100, and we're going to do some technicals. I really need to put some filters on this. Everybody hit like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, share this out. You guys are quiet today, man. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. All right, so Stellar Lumens. I do like Stellar Lumens here. As far as the 4 hour. The daily, not so much, but I do like the 4 hour. All right, so I wouldn't be surprised if we got a push up here. All right, to fill out some of this body here. And a possible up move or a push back down, and it may create a range here. Hold on, guys. Hello? I'm making a video. Yeah, I'm live right now. All right, you coming here? Are you coming here? Okay. All right, cool. So we may get a range. We may get, excuse me, sorry about that, guys. So we may get a range here. If we do get a range here, I would like it because I am still bullish XLM. So if we got a range here, I wouldn't be upset with that at all. So that's what I'd be looking for. I do like the 4 hour though. So if getting in on the 4 hour wouldn't be a total gamble. To try to catch some of that range, get out at the top maybe, and see if it actually ranges. IOTA. IOTA. I am becoming more and more bullish the IOTA technology. James Bond, what's up? I am becoming more and more bullish, not more so, not the technology, but just that field as far as some form of cryptocurrency, whether it be blockchain based or or whether it be, you know, Tangle DAG based. So I am getting more and more bullish simply because upon me looking into the Internet of Things, they have some security issues that a cryptocurrency could fix, whether it be a blockchain cryptocurrency or a DAG. I would preferably go for a blockchain, you know, thing, but it might be a DAG. If the DAG is the best solution for that, then so be it. The daily, I do like the daily. I do like the daily. All right. Now, these wedges can go either way. When the market does this, it builds up velocity, so it can shoot up or down. So these things are kind of dangerous. What's up, man? What's up? What's up? What's up, guys? So on a daily, on the 4 hour, I do like it. I do like it. I actually love this right here. I love that right there. I would have liked for this to be a little bit more vertical, but I do like this. And I like the fact that it broke and pulled back up, you know, giving us that quick flag. This is actually a really perfect flag. The pole isn't so textbook, you know, this is like rough, but the flag is really nice right here. So I wouldn't be surprised to see, whoop, to the upside. I wouldn't be surprised to see that. Yeah, man. Chaser's course is open. ChaseThatCoinTrading.com. You can always join the group, you know, join the Telegram, join the Discord group. A lot of different guys in there with their own trading styles. I never tell anybody what they can and can't talk about in a group as far as trading styles. People share other people's videos. I'm totally fine with that. It's about education. And someone else's style may suit you better. So who knows? That's IOTA. I like IOTA. So that's IOTA. Let me write these down. Those of you who are here with me, you're gonna be able to catch these. Well, some of them, hopefully. Don't mind you, this isn't financial advice. I'm not telling you to take any of these trades. Neo. I always do that like this is TradingView. Now, I like to chart on Bittrex because I trade mostly on Bittrex. If you like Binance and you trade on Binance, then feel free to use Binance. I don't like ETH here. I mean, excuse me. Neo. This is Neo, right? Yeah. I don't like Neo here. It does have some news coming out. So that could carry this to the upside. All right. So we could get an upside move, depending on how big people perceive those ICOs that's coming up on Neo. So from my understanding, Neo has a lot of ICOs coming up soon. Let me see. So 74% possibility. More than that, excuse me. It's up here. Oh, no, yeah, 74% possibility. So there is that on the table for Neo. Would I take this trade? I would wait for it to close a little bit higher and break some higher resistance points. I've always found that really helpful in trading. Letting the market sometime run up a little bit higher, break some higher resistance levels, and then getting in. Yes, you missed a little bit of, you missed a 10, 15%, but the trade was much safer. Icon. Everybody's going crazy over Icon. Yo, I'm seriously like going blind. Too much computer action. I don't even look at my computer that much. I usually have it running, but I'm not like watching it like that. I really, really, really don't like this here. And I'm going to tell you what I don't like. I don't like the fact that we got a doji at the top of an up move, and the next volume candle, this isn't really a volume candle. I mean, it's the next sizable candle did not crack the wick. I don't like that. And then what we get right here, we get a continuation of a push down. So this is indicating to me that that was the top of the move. The market did not have enough volume to break. It closed. I mean, it pushed down. Now, I don't want to jump the gun. You guys know I do not like to jump the gun. Oh, now you guys want to talk. Now you guys want to talk to me. Nah, I'm just joking. Where can you buy Tezos? Hit BTC. Hit BTC. What they're selling right now is an IOU. So in all actuality, the price could launch lower or higher than that. Watch my Tezos video. If Tezos gets to these, while I do this, let me look at the next coin. If Tezos was to achieve the same market cap as Cardano right now, which is 23 billion, each Tezos would be worth $37.37. But you have to remember that the market is pricing Cardano at this price, being full aware that Cardano isn't fully functional yet. So if Tezos launches, it should have a lot more functionality than Cardano. So notice I said if, because I can't let my bullish bias towards Tezos completely blind me. I don't like Lisk here. A lot of these coins they've already ran up too much for me. And I know I'm boring, I'm safe. They've already ran up too much for me. I'll get in the list down here. Or down here. Preferably down here. That's a big pullback though. I don't know if we're going to get that much. If BTC breaks its whole cycle, closes below 11,500, we may get a chance to get some really cheap alts. Even though it's going to be, catching the falling knife. Oh, we can't chart XRB. That's one of the main reasons why I did not buy XRB. I knew about it since it was really small. I liked the idea. I just don't like those exchanges. So what we're doing here, guys, is we're taking the top 100 coins. Whoever is a gainer as far as BTC value, we're going to do some technicals on them. Everybody hit like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, share the stream out. Helps more people find the stream, helps the community grow. Check the links in the description below. Oh, I like Verge here. Now, don't make any trades based on any sound effects that I make, because you'll probably get wrecked. If Link is in the top 100, then I'll chart Link. I like Verge here. And I like Verge even more so because it had a really nice pump up, right? Maybe due to some hype. Pulled down, critical level of a fib, showed resilience. So I like Verge here. We're gonna write that one down as well. Now I know what you guys are doing. I know what you guys are saying. You don't even have any lines on the chart. You don't have an RSI. You don't have a moving average. You don't have anything. You don't have support. I'm bare naked charting right now. Usually my charts are very complex. You look back at some of my videos and I have many different things going on, and I explain why I do that. But sometimes you can have too much going on. I really, I do like Amisa Go here. I would have loved Amisa Go here, but I like it where it's at. I personally would wait until the market. I would wait and hope, especially with the way this candle is looking. So we're going to close these candles in a few minutes. So I would wait and hope the market pulled back and gave me an entry here. I would set up some delayed orders here. And hope that they got filled. I do like Amisa Go here, though. I'm going to put Amisa Go, right? But I'm going to put a star for conditions, because this has to meet some conditions for me. So anything with a star, I need, it has to meet my conditions. Yeah, Veritasium is also unchartable too. Anything on Ether, you can't chart things on Ether Delta too. You can't chart things on Ether Delta here. Wait a minute. Hey, Veritasium was on Hit BTC? If so, this is huge news. Because for whatever reason, I don't know why. Oh, snap. And Mercantile. Mercantile, they're trying to step it up. They're trying to be the one-stop low cap shop. For whatever reason, Bittrex and all of the other exchanges do not want to list Veri. I don't know why. I mean, I think I know why, but I don't know why. Still can't chart it, I mean, properly on a 4. Oh, very is very, very bullish here. Not very, very bullish. Okay, I take that back. I need a close. I need a close here. And then look what we're getting. So yeah, I need a close here for Very. If Very wasn't on Ether Delta, I would have bought Very, because before CryptoCurrency, I knew who Reggie Middleton was, and I was always like, this guy is smart. And I like betting on smart people. Yes, I hit BTC. I don't have an account there either. I don't really. Wait, see, you messing me up, man. Let me go back to what I was doing. Top 100 gainers by BTC volume. Omisa Go, right? Was the last one. Let's do BitConnect. All right. What the hell is the ticker for this thing? BCC, right? This thing is listed. Wait, no. Goddamn BitConnect. What is... This thing has... Look. Okay, it's BCC on Hit BTC. But then, you know, BCC is something else. Other places. Oh, snap. I like BitConnect here. Ugh. It sounds crazy even saying it. I like BitConnect here. But BitConnect is, I like BitConnect on the 4 hour. I also like BitConnect on the daily. Would I take this trade? No. Am I going to write this trade down? No, I'm not. But for those of you BitConnect traders and investors out there, I definitely did like that. So is this in BTC? So far we like IOTA, we like Verge, we like Omisa Go. As far as the coins that are in the top 100 and that have gained value against BTC today. I like BitConnect also for a trade, but I'm not going to take that trade. There's no way I'm going to ever do that. PPT, which is Populous. I would have also bought Populous, but I just don't like Ether Delta. And unless I feel like this technology is absolutely revolutionary, I won't go there. I don't want to go there. So very what is this? PPT, I need like 40% pullback. 35, 40 for me to get in. Look, this is too. We did get some little, we did get red candles in between there, but when is the winner gonna come? I know we don't like to think about the winner, but it's there. Yeah, man, part 2. I don't even know if I shared this out. So if I did not share this out, I apologize. I don't think I did. Oh, yeah, I did. Yes, I know BitConnect got a cease and desist from Texas. It's going to take many more of those before it shuts down. For those of you who do not know, Triple M Global was also a thing in the cryptocurrency space that scammed a lot of people. I don't like to say BitConnect is a scam though. I more so like to say it's just taking advantage of people not doing math. Triple M Global, on the other hand, was an outright scam. And so was OneCoin. So we're doing Strat. Very bullish Strat here. I've been very bullish Strat anyway. All right, so I have a more detailed chart on TradingView. I'm not going to attempt to recreate that here. But if you want to do that, go and look at my last Stratus video. But I'm very bullish Stratus here. So I think on the low side, there's another 160% in there. On the high side, I mean, well, to get back up here, all-time high, there's 109. Well, excuse me. Let me do the let me do the wick. %224%. In my opinion, if they execute what they say that they're gonna do, all right, they might not, but if they do, new all-time high. I'm not gonna really do the technicals on that though. BitShares. I don't want to go there. BitShares is disgusting. I like the 4-hour though. So what I'm getting from the market right now is that there is a lot of short-term trades where you could possibly get, catch the market and ride it back up really quick for maybe a 20, 25%, 15, 20, 25. But only a few trades still look outright bullish, like Ethereum, Litecoin, Stratus, Verge also looks bullish. Telegram's new ICO. So I wasn't even aware of that. You just made me aware of that. Telegram's ICO. I wasn't even aware that they were doing an ICO. Now, Telegram has ties with FB. They have ties with FB, so they do have a privacy layer, I guess, but their affiliation with FB, at least from a mental standpoint, compromises that. Now, Obsidian is open source community, community driven blockchain project. So they don't have any big interests to sway their privacy views. So, I mean, if they do an ICO, it's definitely going to be bullish. People are going to buy it because it's the name Telegram. So, oh, so it's a rumor, but now it's official. That's, yeah. I mean, I'm not surprised, especially with Facebook talking about they're going crypto, and you know they're in talks of exploring it. So these companies knew about that before we did. So they're just setting themselves up to capitalize. I like the 4 hour for BitShares. The 1 and the daily I don't like. So overall, I'm gonna say I don't like this trade. But there is you can catch something in there. You can catch some percentages in there. So earlier today, I was talking about on my Twitter page. Come and follow me on Twitter at ChaseThatCoin. I gave away 4 Buy the Dip Bitcoin shirts, giving away 6 more, possibly more. Most likely I'll give away more. And to get a chance to win, you know, follow me on Twitter and you'll see my post. But I was talking about decentralized exchanges. So we did BitShares last, right? All right, DNT, right? DCN. Okay, so I was talking about decentralized exchanges and what are the leaders of these exchanges going to do, these programs going to do when, you know, government runs down on them or puts pressure on them. Now, I know we think, oh my God, this is ugly. It's so thin. It's just so ugly. But anyway, I know we think that, you know, it's decentralized, that they can't do anything. But people was bringing up good points. You know, some of these sites, they need domain names so they can block them from, you know, getting domain names, or they'll have to constantly switch domain names. You know, there can be some rollbacks because remember, we've already all witnessed a blockchain be rolled back. I'm not doing DCM because this is terrible. Binance. So I don't know. It's going to be interesting to see, because just because you say, oh, you know, it's decentralized and blah, 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 does not mean that, you know, these guys, the government isn't going to look for ways to shut it down. In China, they already figured out a way to block Ether Delta. It's decentralized. Okay, so we got Binance here. I do not like Binance. A lot of this stuff has just already ran up. So not to say that I don't totally like it, but right here I don't. Measuring from what the eye can see, risk reward ratio. All right, so you're risking 1 unit to possibly make 2.39. I would like to see 3, but whatever. It's a very small day trade, 17%. Well, possibly a two-day trade. Who knows? Mo Overwatch, what we buying? Who knows? Who knows? What we're doing right here actually is we're looking at coins in the top 100. Whichever ones have gained BTC value, we are doing technical analysis on them. And I got to put a little pep in my step because this is going to take forever. Can't chart KuCoin. I like the idea though. I'm also looking into Bix, which is an Asian exchange that has their own token as well, like similar to Binance. So right now we're doing Steam because it is a gainer within the top 100. I like Steam here. Now, I'm going to go back and do my own deeper technical analysis to confirm that I like these trades. I encourage you to do the same. Don't buy anything here because you saw me say I like it. That's the way that you can get wrecked. So I like the 4 for Steam. And I also like the hourly. Waves. I personally like to start from higher time frames and work my way down. Depending on what type of trader you are, you may like the same as well. Okay, jumping the gun a little bit here because we have a moving candle, which is kind of shaping my bias. I like waves on the daily, but I'm not going to go with that because it came from a method that I don't normally use, which is judging a moving candle. Yeah, so I'm going to put waves as a maybe. No, I'm going to put waves and I'm going to put an eyeball next to it. Telling me to watch waves. God damn it. We got to move faster than this. Then. I think Ven. Oh, no. I think Ven. I'm still waiting for an entry for Ven. Yeah. Yeah. And it looks like it's coming. It looks like it's coming. So I'll be sitting back on the sidelines, rubbing my hands together, waiting for Ven to drop so I can enter. DGB. The daily. I don't like DGB here. Stay away from it. I don't like it. Well, I'm telling myself to stay away from it, not you. 0x. Zero X has ran up too much recently, so we're going to skip right over that. Rep, which has held a lot of its rep despite its inability to, figure out the decentralized oracles and get their platform running, which is no easy feat. Don't mind me, talking about it like it's easy because I can't program anything. You know, I could barely record video sometimes. So if we were going to use the long wick principle, I would automatically like it. I would wait for some pullback though, but I like it on a daily. So there is that. That is the stronger trend. So I'm also going to put rep here. But I'm going to put eyeball next to it to let me know to watch it. Gollum. Mind you guys, this isn't the way I do my technical analysis normally. I take a little bit more time on each chart. But if we were to do that, we would never get through this. I'm doing coins in the top 100 that have gained value against Bitcoin. So have gained Satoshi value. So right now I'm at Gollum. That means I've done every other coin up here that has gained Satoshi value. And now I'm at Gollum. So you have to go back and watch it. Um, I like Gollum, but not enough. Not enough for me to trade it. Not enough for me to trade it in Bitcoin uncertainty, because that's a key part right here. You know, there's some BTC uncertainty. So for me to trade this in BTC uncertainty right now isn't the smartest move. So if I'm going to take a trade, I want it to be a super solid trade. Basic attention. Has gone up too much for me to consider. Yeah, it's gone up too much. Ken, I was about to skip Ken, but let me just do it. Wait, what? Up. Can't chart Ken. That was skin. Funfair. Because even though some of these have ran up a lot, have ran up today, they're still in reasonable buy areas. Fun isn't one of them. Now, Fun isn't in a great buy area, but if you took this trade, there is still upside here. Especially, you know, since we're so close to all-time high and we're still getting nice pickups in the volume like this. So that was Fun, right? Yep. Dent. Everybody hit like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, share the stream out. Check the links in the description below. I don't like dent at all right there. Salt. Okay. So quickly to talk about Salt. Salt is in the free Excel spreadsheet with live CoinMarketCap data. No, this is not my personal holdings. I don't have any Salt, Ambrosis, Power, Sun, very little of these two. So this isn't my holdings, but if you want to take advantage of this, join the Telegram or the Discord group, and you can get access to that. Also, check out chase.cointrading.com. I also do not like Salt here. I like Salt 4 hour. If we break the bottom of these bodies, I like it. But until then, I do not. ARK. ARK is one that I called out. There was a night when I called out ARK, Strat, and I think Lisk in the same night. That was a big night. That was a big night. And I always come to a higher time frame to confirm my bias. I do like ARK here. I don't like the, well, okay. I don't like the fact that it's not giving me, for whatever reason, Binance, excuse me, Coinigy only has up to here. So I don't like that. On the other chart that I had a nice setup going. So I'm not gonna say I like ARK because I can't really tell here. Yeah, I'm not gonna say it. Red. I don't like red here. Especially with this. And we're starting to get a curve over. All right, so we're starting to curve. Not only is it the highs getting lower, but it's starting to curve over. I don't like this. Decred, GCR. I like Decred. I like Decred here. We could get a reversal from here, but I think we're going to fill out these gaps here. So I do like Decred. Write this down. Now, how I'm going to go about choosing these trades is through deeper technical analysis, or if I even take any of these trades. It's not going to be just me giving it the eye test. NX, you know, is going to be definitely. It's going to definitely be deeper than that. Ah. The 4-hour isn't bad. The daily, I don't like. The daily, I would look for some kind of, sloping, flag, some kind of flag action before I would consider it to even have the possibility of keep going up from here. Now, I know that they were supposed to do a lot of things, satellites and different things. I'm not sure if they did it because I kind of stopped keeping up with it. XP. No. We can't chart XP. Pivx. How long have we been doing this? Okay, not that bad. I like Pivx on the daily. On the 4-hour, no, I don't like Pivx. I actually really don't like Pivx on the 4-hour. So Pivx probably isn't one of those trades that's going to stay bullish regardless of what BTC does. I think only a few trades are going to stay like that. Request Network, which has been getting a lot of talk. This is a nice looking chart, but I just wish it was lower. I don't like this. I don't like this. So this is the point that we have to break. If we close here and close here with volume, now I don't know if this is a thin, well, I know it's a thin market cap. I don't know how thin. It's pretty low. Let's see. So what's that? I'm not even going to try to do the math. Judging by what's around it, I'm going to say, what's this, like 300 million? 200, something like that? Sub. Now, Sub is one that I think the idea is a little, I don't know if they're going to be able to pull that off. It is a, has a lot of buzz factors. So it can receive up moves from a lot of different things going on in the news that necessarily don't have much to do with them directly. But I do think there's a lot more upside simply because of, the net neutrality thing. And even though I don't know if they're going to be able to pull this off. So that's just my idea. That's just me speaking on the project. Now, as far as the trade side, I don't like it. Now, I could use some different styles to force a trade here, but I don't like it. It's rough on all time frames. Niblio. I'm expecting Niblio to move with Stratus. I'm not even going to chart that because it's up so much. Wax. Up. We can't chart Wax. TNB. Time New Bank. What the? Whoa. So yeah, that's that's totally out the question. So what we're doing, guys, is we're taking the top 100 coins, any of them that have any kind of gains, we are charting it. I'm currently at Enigma, so anything above Enigma, I've already charted. Now you might be saying, but these coins are the gainers for the day. Why are you charting? There still may be a lot more upside in them. And as BTC may continue to fall, possible, these ones that are clearly bullish now may continue to stay bullish. So it's worth looking at them, even though they've already moved up. There's some possibility here, man, for Enigma on the 4-hour. You'd have to force it, so God damn it. You'd have to force it, but it's there. You probably have to force it, so I'm going to watch that. I already did red. You're gonna have to go back and watch anything. I'm at Enigma. Well, now I'm at Mona. So anything above this that has gained Satoshi value today, I covered it. So where I'm at, Mona 77. So anything that has gained BTC value today, I covered it. So all of these. I didn't do in detail charting, but I simply gave it the eye test to see if I'm going to go into further charting when I, get off of this with you guys. Mona. I really like Mona here. Now, I don't know what Mona does. From my research of it, I think it's like a Japanese like Dogecoin. If I'm not mistaken. I don't know though. But I think it's like a Japanese Dogecoin. But I like Mona here. Would I take the trade? Uh, maybe with a really, really small position. I'll watch it though. Bitcoin dark. BTCD. So Bitcoin dark is a funny one. When Bitcoin moves down, this thing tends to move up. I don't know who is rooting for this thing to be like some kind of BTC competitor, but somebody is. Now, if you were able to get in here on this first volume spike right here, killed. Bitcoin gold also looks very bullish. God damn it. Excuse me, Bitcoin dark. Am I going to take the trade? Who knows? Link. I know many of you have sat here for like 50 other coins for me to do Link. And your time has finally come. I mix this up with TradingView so much. I click in, then I'm expecting it to load up. Nothing happens. How high can Link go? I mean, the only like real way in my mind to judge how high something can go. I mean, you could choose the direction. You don't know how high it can go. That's anybody, like, I don't know, whatever. But it could go to the previous high. Once it cracks the previous high, the previous all-time high, anything up here is free runway. So there's no real proven way to, you know, determine where it's going to go. I mean, how high it's going to go. Using technical analysis, depending on your methods and your skill level, you can predict the direction. I don't know how high it can go, but it looks like it's going higher, especially on a smaller time frame. So it may keep going higher here. GByte. GByte. Make sure you guys check out the other videos that I did earlier today. Two Ds. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, RDD. I don't know. I don't buy this, man. I still don't like red here. The newer improved version. I still don't. I don't like red. I don't like this version of red more so than I don't like the other version. Now this version probably has more upside because it was recently pumped. They do have somewhat of a product. No, yeah, I don't like red here. Simply because of this. All right, we created resistance here. The market did temporarily pivot above resistance, broke down below resistance, rejected away from resistance, came back up, didn't even lay a wick on resistance. Now, granted, it may temporarily push back up, break through, and close below before it goes down. So, there you go. G-Byte. Another thing, use your own technical analysis. Do not base anything you say, anything I say, and buy anything. Use your own technical skills, because this is what I see. You may see something different. You possibly could do technical analysis, or you possibly can't. But use your own opinions. Guardo, what's up? And that's the problem. When you fanboy out for one specific opportunity, for one specific coin, you miss all the other ones around you. And then when you start to miss those, then you start to FOMO when it's too late, and then you buy in, and then you get wrecked. So in order for me to not keep a fanboy or a heavy bias towards anything, I like to come on here and do these coins to open my eyes. You see, I wrote down red because I like the other red, not RDD. I don't like that one. I don't like G-Byte. QuantStamp. QuantStamp has been one I've been looking to getting into. Everybody's like, why didn't you get into ICO? Because if it's really going to make money, the majority of the money is going to be made after the ICO. And the majority of the risk is participating in ICO. So I'm very selective which ICOs I get into. I do not like this. I like the fact that it filled out a lot of this wick. All right. But I don't like it. What is up, guys? What's up? What's up? We're taking the top 100 cryptocurrencies that have gained any Satoshi value today, and we are charting them. For the record, I like RED as a trade, and I don't like RDD. Nah, I'm just being petty. I'm playing. I'm not going to do Red Pulse. I'm not going to do Carbon Hood. I'll do Sand. So this is Sand BTC. I thought there was going to be a squeeze, an upward squeeze going on with a base, but there is none. So no, I don't like it. Oh, I really don't like it. 10x. Now, those of you who follow me, know that I am not a fan of any kind of cryptocurrency debit card. As far as like, oh, we're going to hold the coin and then they're going to pay us. And I'm not a fan of that. Simply because the company, all they're doing, that's just a prepaid model, you know. So not to say that, you know, there's not going to be a trade set up here. But those things, they can be replaced. If Visa or MasterCard was ever to come out and be like, we're going to accept cryptocurrencies directly, there goes pay. I mean, it would still give people incentive to hold the card just in case people use the pay version, you know. And but I don't know. I'm not into it. I kind of want to just skip it. I do like the 4-hour though. You see how that goes? Because that's the trader in me. I like the 4-hour. The day not so much. The day looks like we're gonna get a slam down into 10,370. Deep Brain Chain is also another one that I've been looking into. Do I have any? No. Am I going to buy any? I don't think so. Who knows? DBC, right? Can't chart that. Oh, we only got 3 more, ladies and gentlemen. 3 more, and we're out of here. So we charted every gainer in the top 100 as far as BTC value in this stream. Encourage you to hit like, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you can be aware of when I post these videos and different live streams. This is live stream number 2. Nah, Carbon Hood is up way too much living on crypto. It's like, if it gained Satoshi value today, then I did it. If it's in the top 100 and it gained Satoshi value, whether it be 1% or whatever, Ken gained like 0.7%, not even 1%. I did Ken. I did everything in the top 100 that gained Satoshi value, not USD. So you got to go to CoinMarketCap, click up there and change that to Satoshi value. And I've done every one of those. WTC. I do like WTC here. I think coming this year, you know, cryptocurrencies that people see being applied to real life use cases like VeChain, like Walton, like possibly Wabi. You know, I think that these things are going to have a nice place. I would get into WTC before I would get into Ven, simply because of where the charts are. And I do like the daily, for the record, of WTC. I like the 4-hour even more. I like the 4-hour. The 4-hour is beautiful. We may see a very nice. Let me write that down. Cheers, Sean. Cheers. Cheers. You've been trying to dump your pay, but Bittrex won't give you an address. Goddamn Bittrex. I had a whole BTC. No, I'm lying. 0.7 BTC stuck in Cryptopia for like 2 days. Missed the best dip ever. I would have been up 50% the next day, just on the position I took out with that. Really pissed me off. I can't do Med, and we're going to do Civic. I did not notice that Civic dropped so much. I remember, like, that was like back when I was like my last days of working, right before I stopped working. Civic had their ICO. I was trying to get in, couldn't get in. As soon as I clicked the thing, I was like number 1,000. Like, I was some crazy number in the quarry. Couldn't get in. Oh, I like Civic. I like Civic. Look at this right here. You gotta look for, you either want to look for focus points, you want to look for squeeze points, you know. Now, you don't want to do this every time because this is a very loose style, and it doesn't follow forms of structure very well. So you don't want to just have this as your style. But I do like Civic. On the higher time frames. So that is it, ladies and gentlemen. We charted every cryptocurrency that gained Satoshi value in the top 100 in this stream. I appreciate you all sitting here through this with me. I got some good ideas for some good trades, possibly. Now, what I'm going to do is take these trades that I'm interested in and go in and do actual technicals, draw up some levels and do my real technical analysis on it, and then come to my conclusion. Okay. I encourage you all to hit like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, share this out so you can be aware of when we do this. All right. You can also check the links in the description below if you want to get access to the Excel spreadsheet with live coin market cap data. Once again, no, this is not my portfolio. This is what it's going to look like when you get it. So yeah, if you want to take advantage of that, join the groups. Check out chasethatcointrading.com. And until next time, ladies and gentlemen, keep chasing that coin. Peace.